In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot deal automations for smoother sales. This guide will help you harness the power of HubSpot's CRM tools to streamline your sales processes effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step walkthrough will guide you through setting up deal automations seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open up HubSpot and navigate to the user guide by visiting the HubSpot user guide section. This is a great resource if you ever feel like you need further assistance or if you want to explore more features available in HubSpot. Once you're at the user guide, the next step is to click on CRM. You'll find this option in your dashboard's main menu. The CRM tool in HubSpot is incredibly powerful. It helps you manage your business relationships, track interactions, and keep all your marketing and sales data in one place to ensure that your sales processes are as efficient as possible. Now we'll move on to deals, so go ahead and click on Deals. The Deals section is where all the magic happens. Here you can manage your current sales opportunities and keep track of all ongoing deals in the pipeline. You'll be able to monitor each deal and ensure you're taking the appropriate steps toward closing it. After you've accessed the Deals section, you need to create a new deal. To do this, click on Create Deal. This action will open a form where you can input essential details regarding the deal you're working on. Creating a deal allows you to store important information and track all relevant activities in one centralized location. Next, click on Deal Name to enter a descriptive name for your deal. A clear and concise name will help you easily identify the deal in the future. It might be useful to include the client's name or the nature of the deal in the title for easy recognition. Once you've named your deal, the next step is to specify which pipeline it belongs to. Click on Pipeline and select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Pipelines allow you to categorize deals based on their progress or specific sales processes you have in place, ensuring an organized workflow. Following that, address the deal stage. Click on Deal Stage to choose the present status of your deal from the various stages available, such as prospecting, appointment scheduled, or negotiation. This feature is crucial for keeping track of where each deal stands and what actions need to be taken next. Finally, conclude by clicking Create. This action will save all the details you've entered and officially add your deal to the pipeline. From here, you can monitor its progress, update its status as needed, and use automation features to enhance efficiency in deal management. And there you have it, a streamlined process for setting up deal automations in HubSpot. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay organized, keep your sales team on the same page, and ultimately drive more success in your sales operations. Thank you for watching and happy selling.